Hybrid cameras seamlessly combine the advantages of DSLR and mirrorless technologies, making them a top choice for photographers and videographers alike. These versatile cameras offer impressive image quality, fast autofocus, and advanced video capabilities, catering to various shooting styles and environments. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best hybrid cameras you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Fujifilm XS20 is a powerful hybrid camera crafted for serious enthusiasts seeking versatility and exceptional quality in a compact form. Building on the beloved XS10, the XS20 introduces substantial upgrades, particularly for content creators. Its 26.1 megapixel APS-C sensor captures remarkable detail, while the 6.2 K30 FPS video recording at 4x2 by 2 10-bit enhances video projects with impressive color depth and clarity. The newly added vlog mode lets users effortlessly switch focus between faces and objects, ideal for product reviews and live presentations. Aided by deep learning AI, the XS20's autofocus tracks a wide range of subjects with impressive speed and accuracy. Whether capturing wildlife, sports, or portraits, the camera zeroes in on eyes and faces instantly, delivering sharp results. Fujifilm's famed film simulations add analog charm to both stills and video, perfect for creators who want unique in-camera looks. Despite its compact build, the XS20 boasts excellent battery life, handling up to 700 shots, making it a reliable choice for travel and full-day shoots. Additionally, a pop-up flash atop the viewfinder provides practical lighting in a pinch, and the camera's ergonomics ensure a comfortable grip. Balancing classic design with advanced tech, the Fujifilm XS20 is the ideal all-rounder for enthusiasts. The Panasonic Lumix S5X is a powerhouse hybrid camera designed to excel in both video and photography, making it ideal for serious content creators. A close sibling to the Lumix S5 II, the S5X sets itself apart with video-focused upgrades that enhance its usability in professional workflows. Its standout features include unlimited 4K 60p 4x2x2 10-bit internal recording, Full HD at 180 FPS for high-speed captures, and 6K full sensor readout, all ensuring impressive detail and versatility. The ability to record directly to an external SSD and reduce video compression levels caters to videographers needing streamlined, high-quality footage management. This model debuts Panasonic's new phase hybrid autofocus system, blending phase detection with contrast detect AF to offer 779-point metering. This translates to fast, accurate subject tracking even in challenging lighting conditions. Low-light performance is robust with a high dynamic range that captures rich details in shadows and highlights. Built for durability, the S5X boasts a magnesium alloy body and a fully articulating screen for flexible shooting angles. While its battery life can be a limitation for intensive video shooting, the 30 FPS burst mode, dual SD card slots, and 24.2 megapixel sensor round out a feature-rich package for hybrid shooters who demand reliability and cinematic quality. The Canon EOS R5 C is an impressive hybrid camera built for filmmakers and professional photographers seeking top-tier video and photo capabilities. This full-frame, mirrorless camera pairs the versatility of Canon's EOS R5 with a powerful cinema EOS twist, creating a unique dual-purpose tool. It features a 45-megapixel CMOS sensor, delivering high-resolution images with exceptional detail, perfect for both stills and motion. Key video capabilities include 8K recording at 30 frames per second, expandable to 60 frames per second with an external power source, and oversampled 4K at 120 frames per second. Canon's addition of an active cooling system means filmmakers can record extended 8K sessions without worrying about overheating, a significant enhancement over the standard R5. The camera offers a 5-axis electronic IS for smoother handheld shots, although it lacks in-body stabilization due to its focus on cinematic quality. The EOS R5C's unique dual menu system allows users to seamlessly switch between stills and video modes, each optimized for its respective task. With numerous internal and external recording options, the EOS R5C caters to high-end content creators. Though it lacks built-in ND filters, its flexibility and quality make it a standout choice for serious videographers and hybrid shooters alike. The Sony Alpha 1 redefines versatility for professionals, delivering cutting-edge features for both photography and video. With its full-frame 50.1 megapixel sensor, the Alpha 1 captures exceptional detail, making it ideal for high-resolution work such as fine art landscapes or editorial portraits. The advanced 759-point phase detect AF system expertly tracks fast-moving subjects, from dancers to wildlife, ensuring precision in every frame. For videographers, the Alpha 1 offers unparalleled capabilities with 8K video recording at up to 30p and 4K at 120p, creating ultra-smooth footage with rich color depth thanks to Sony's Bionz XR processor. The camera's dual CF Express Type A card slots enhance speed and efficiency, allowing high-speed bursts and ample storage for large files. Its electronic viewfinder boasts a remarkable 9.44 million dot resolution with 100% coverage and an impressive 240 FPS refresh rate, offering a near-optical experience that's ideal for professionals. Coupled with a 10 FPS mechanical shutter and 30 FPS electronic shutter, the Alpha 1 guarantees precision for any high-speed action. While priced at a premium, the Sony Alpha 1 is built for the most demanding creators who need a no-compromise tool. The Nikon Z8 emerges as a top-tier hybrid camera, blending high-resolution imaging and impressive video capabilities, ideal for advanced users. With its powerful 45.7 megapixel full-frame sensor, the Z8 nears the league of the Sony A1, offering photographers and videographers outstanding performance. This model supports 8K video recording up to 60 FPS, with an impressive 2-hour recording limit, a feature that surpasses Canon's EOS R5, making it an excellent choice for videographers. For still photography, the Z8 can capture rapid action with up to 120 FPS continuous shooting, making it well-suited for wildlife and sports photography. Its advanced autofocus system detects various subjects, but falls slightly short compared to the Canon EOS R5 and Sony A1. Designed with a form factor similar to the legendary Nikon D850, the Z8 provides a durable, weather-sealed magnesium body and intuitive, direct access controls. The 3-inch tilting touchscreen enhances functionality, though a fully articulating screen is notably absent. Overall, the Nikon Z8 is a powerful, versatile choice, combining speed, durability, and top-notch image quality. It's an excellent, cost-effective upgrade for Nikon enthusiasts and professionals, providing the performance needed to keep up with the demands of advanced photography and video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.